In this lecture, we are going to create the 3D model of example 26 drawing attached in this lecture. You can see here, this is the drawing for which we are going to generate the 3D model, and this is the 3D model that we want to make. You can see the fillets and chamfers being applied to the body. Always apply fillets and chamfers at the end of the modeling, so that it doesn't create any complexities. Let us start by first creating a sketch. On this plane, we will create a circle. Give the diameter as 40. Click on OK. Now exit workbench. Let us use pad and give a length of 100. Click on OK. Again, we'll take a sketch on this face. We'll take an elongated hole. From this point, you can use this isometric view to generate the perfect sketch to define our object. You can see. Now I can take plane normal. Now double click on this dimension. This is 25. Now I will take dimension of this spine. This is of value 50. The sketch is constrained. Now we will take exit workbench. We'll use pad. We'll reverse the direction and give a value of 20 as the pad dimension. Click on OK. You can see we have formed our pad and the outline of our model. Now we'll create the interior objects, which are holes. I'll click on hole, select this face. I can move the hole somewhere here. Now we'll go for positioning sketch. This point and this arc. Concentric. Click on OK. Exit workbench. We'll create a blind hole of diameter 30, which is of radius 15. Click on preview and click on OK. We have not given the depth. Double click. Here we'll go for up to last. We need not decide any depth. It will cut the entire object. Click on OK. You can see it has cut everything up to last. Now we'll take hole again. Click on this face. Now let us give a value. Before that, we'll change this type to counter bore. You can see a preview here. Select any object and you can see a preview here. The counter bore diameter is 32 and the counter bore depth is 10. Again, we'll go here to extension. The hole diameter is 20. Click on preview. You can see this is the preview of the object. Click on OK. And we have made the counter bore. Now we are left out with the last portion, that is the fillets and chamfers. Let us first give the fillet. Click on edge fillet. Select on the edges where you want to give the fillet. We'll select this edge, this complete edge, and this complete edge with a value of 5. Click on OK. You can see very beautifully it has blended and created the fillet. Now we'll go for the chamfers. Click on chamfer. A chamfer of 2 into 45 degrees is given. It is typical that indicates any chamfer values wherever it is of 2 into 45 degrees. So as it is length and angle, we'll give 2 here and 45 degrees. Now let us select the objects, that is the edges. We'll select this edge. This edge, by mistake we have selected the face. So we can deselect by pressing the Ctrl button and selecting on the object that you want to deselect. We'll select this edge only. Now we'll select this edge, and we'll select both of these edges, this edge and this edge. Click on OK, and you can see we have created the chamfers. We have completed the 3D model. Click on isometric view, and you can see here. This is the model that we wanted to make.